Have you ever been super thirsty and the water was just out of reach? Well, let me tell you a story about a very clever little bird who faced the exact same problem. One hot day, this little bird found a tall jar with some water at the very bottom. She tried and tried, but her beak just couldn't reach it. What could she do? Instead of giving up, she had a brilliant idea. She started picking up small stones, one by one, and dropping them into the jar. Plink, plunk, plink. With each stone, the water level rose a little higher. Soon, the water was right at the top, and she could finally take a long, refreshing drink. This just goes to show that with a little bit of smart thinking, you can solve almost any problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.